plus ATP Bingo Plus for being top 3 winners of this round. No more bets. Good luck. Now number 5 is multiplied by 3 times. And yay, finally! It's crazy time. The bonus that we've been missing for. Let's go. Woohoo! Crazy time. Now, all the multipliers on the wheel. Okay, so it's your decision time. Green, blue, or yellow. Pick a color. Yeah, so now max multiply 100x. Good luck. Now blue got double. So let's double for the blue. So max multiply 200x. The max for being top 3 winners of this round. Wow, blue got 200x. That's amazing. So 25x, 200x, 25x. Asking, yeah, that's Aubrey. Confidence gave to you. That's 0 for the next round. Here we go. So, best on a twist. What is the highest ever win? Ooh, good question. I don't actually remember. It's actually number 5, but I can tell you it was a pretty huge win, really. Anyway, ooh la la. All right, that's another pachinko first, ladies and gentlemen. 4th one of the session. Let's go. Welcome to Pachinko. We are starting with a 3x multiply here. What else do we have? 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 35, 40, 50, 100, 200. And a double. Woo! Right, let's get back to the shall we? Alrighty, I wish you the best. Come on, 200, 200, 200. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Come on. That's a 200x from this pachinko, ladies and gentlemen. That is how we do it. 1,409 winners. Congratulations to you. Compliments to the top 5, of course. Betting time is all yours. Wow. So, first of all, shout out to the person who...
Guys, place your bets. Our stream is on top of the winners list. 8 seconds left for you to place your bets. And get ready for the next round. Come on, come on, come on. No more bets. Let's go. I like 4 minutes, maybe. Something like that. 5x on cash out. And we might get it as well. Ooh, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for this one? Cash hunt with a 5x from the top. Oh, very nice. Ooh, and we're here. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And this is the cash out bonus game. We all know this game, man. We all love it, of course. All you have to do is take a shot later after these all multis will be hidden. Man, look at the board. 500 will be the biggest multiplier. Oh, wow. 50x is the smallest. Where was that 5? Right there in the right corner. I hope you got it. Back to the wheel we go. We'll go to bed after Batman. Congrats to all the winners. 997. What a 2x. It's gonna be a 5 everybody. Congratulations for that meeting point. 1,518 people. Beautiful. Congratulations. Welcome newcomers. Don't forget to have the play option as well as number. Yeah. And good luck. And tell me something about yourself, everybody. Something interesting. That's all. Close. Good luck. Now with a 50x on the top slot. What? Woo! Wow. Wow. Cannot believe it, everybody. This is my first time ever getting a 50x on a top slot. Oh, congratulations!
Come along with me. We got a bonus game. Crazy time. 2, 3. The titular big, super grande, mega, uber Gucci game. Oh yeah, let's do this. So yeah, you pick and choose your. Why is the chat so slow? Actually, you gotta pick and choose your flapper, green, blue, yellow. Up those doubles to improve your experience. Yeah, if you don't pick and choose, it's mod, it's randomized. But hey, there's that also fix the thing. You know, I'm gonna get 100 times up. Best of luck. Have fun. So we're done with greens and blues, 15 and 20 times respectively, but the yellows, you're getting that double. Oh yeah. Go get a 200x from a single next spin. Hopefully more doubles on it. That'll do pretty great. Yeah, 200x on the line. Have a good time. Let's go! 200x, going back to mini.
2 times for the number 2. It's like drip too hard on center close. Okay, we cannot continue the song. 9,836 winner, congratulations, let's go. Valentina, look. Even Gojo cannot be compared to you, okay? Like, you have to remember that, darling. Etienne! Oh, Etienne, nice to see you today. 20x5. What's up, Etienne? How you do? Can we please? That's the power of Gojo Satoru, ladies and gentlemen. It's crazy time. Guys, you ready to open up the door? No, you tell me. You ready to open the door? Can I get a yes in the chat? Let's open the door. Let's open it up. Yeah! Woohoo! Welcome, my dear friends. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Crazy Time. All right, that was a beautiful intro. But hey, guys, it's up to you now to choose the flapper. Either green, blue, or yellow. Let's go! And it's 100x as a top multi. Let's go! Yeah, Team Blue with a double. Team Blue got a doubalita babalita. So let's double up the fun, ladies and gentlemen, with a double bubble. Doubalita babalita, baby. And I'm wishing you all the best, Team Blue. You got this, baby. So let's go. Now it's 200x. Woohoo!
So your hands, compliments on your victories. Woo! Here inside, we have got 2,121 winner. Still chasing the first place. Jojo's in second, Alfie 112 is on.